Today's grammar point.
Let's look at the first one, 면 됩니다. You can use this expression to tell someone what they need to do to achieve a certain goal. So it's like saying, if you want to achieve something, all you need to do is take this action, or you just need to take this action.
Example time, number 1.
Let's suppose someone asks you, what should I do? Then you can say, 여기에서 기다리면 됩니다, which means you just need to wait here. Let's look at one more example. If someone asks, which address should I send this to? Then you can say, 이 주소로 보내면 됩니다. You just need to send it to this address. Let's look at number 2, 뛸 예정입니다, which means the subject has a plan or intention to do something in the future. So it means be planning to, be scheduled to, or be expected to, depending on the context.
Example time, number 1.
회의는 오후 3시에 시작될 예정입니다. The meeting is scheduled to start at 3 p.m. 다음 주에 새로운 영상을 올릴 예정입니다. Here, 올리다 means to post or upload. I'm planning to upload a new video next week.
Today's key expression.
Let's take a look at the difference between 시작하다 and 시작되다. 시작하다, it is a transitive verb, so it takes an object. But 시작되다, it's an intransitive verb, so it does not take an object. And second, 드리다, it actually has the same basic meaning as 주다, which means to give, but it's a humble expression. And third, 분 is a respectful way to say person, so 분들 is a plural form, so it means people. Let's look at the number 4. 오시다, it is also a respectful way to say 오다, which means to come. And finally, 에서 has two meanings you need to remember. First, we use this to talk about where an action happens.
Example time, number 1.
학교에서 공부해요. We use 에서 because the action study happens at school. And second, 에서 it refers to the starting place. 한국에서 왔어요, which means I came from Korea. So 에서 can represent at, in, from, depending on the context.
Reading comprehension.
한강 축제에 오신 여러분께 안내 말씀드립니다.
Notice here, as I mentioned before, 오시다 is an honorific expression, and 니은 indicate modifier and stands for past tense. And 축제 means festival. So, 한강 축제에 오신 여러분께, to everyone who has come to Han River Festival. 안내 말씀 드립니다. This is an fixed expression, so just memorize it, which means we'd like to make an announcement.
오늘 노래 대회는 하늘정원에서 열립니다.
노래 means song, and 대회, it means competition or contest. So, 노래 대회, it represents singing contest. And notice here, 열리다, it is passive voice, meaning to be held. And also, we use the present tense in this sentence because it is a scheduled future event. So this sentence means today's singing contest or competition will be held at Sky Garden.
하늘정원은 정문 주차장에서 오른쪽으로 오시면 됩니다.
하늘 정원은, speaking of Sky Garden, and 정문 means main gate and 주차장 means parking lot. 정문 주차장에서, from the main gate parking lot. 오른쪽으로 오시면 됩니다. As we learned earlier, 면 됩니다 means you just need to do. So this sentence means if you want to join the singing contest, please come to the right from the main gate parking lot because the singing contest will be held at the Sky Garden.
노래 대회가 끝나면 같은 장소에서 무료 축하 공연도 열릴 예정입니다.
노래 대회가 끝나면, 끝나다 represent to end or finish when the singing contest ends. 같은 장소에서, at the same place or at the same location. 무료 축하 공연도 열릴 예정입니다. 띄을 예정입니다 means be planning to or be scheduled to. So, a free celebratory performance is also scheduled to be held at the same location.
관심 있는 분들은 지금 하늘정원으로 와주십시오. 감사합니다.
And notice here, 관심이 있다 means to have an interest or be interested. So, 관심이 있는 분들은 those who are interested. And 주십시오 means please. Please come to Sky Garden now. Thank you. 자, 전체 문장을 다시 한번 들어볼게요.
Listening.
한강 축제에 오신 여러분께 안내 말씀드립니다. 오늘 노래대회는 하늘정원에서 열립니다. 하늘정원은 정문 주차장에서 오른쪽으로 오시면 됩니다. 노래대회가 끝나면 같은 장소에서 무료 축하 공연도 열릴 예정입니다. 관심 있는 분들은 지금 하늘정원으로 와주십시오. 감사합니다.
If you found this lesson helpful, please subscribe and give it a like.